Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Scotty Thompson, and Coach Tim Cone of Barangay Ginebra. Coach, congratulations. Now, going back to that game against TNT, you were tied second place before that game, and after just one loss, you were number 7 going to this game. What can you say about the urgency, the intensity, and the energy that your players showed tonight, trying to redeem themselves and to put the team on a better spot?
Well, you know, we haven't put a good game together this conference, and tonight was one of those games where everything came together. We played well defensively, we executed really well offensively, and we shot the ball well. So it was really our best game of the conference, and it couldn't come at a better time right now when we're struggling to get into that top 6 position and getting ready for the playoffs. So. Really pleased with the effort everybody had tonight. We were all disappointed at losing to Talk and Text again after losing to them in the finals last conference. So I think everybody had a little bit of a chip on their shoulder tonight, and just hope we can continue to keep that chip there and as we move forward.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Scotty, pinag-uusapan how important this game, makapanalo, to keep your playoffs hopes alive. Now, of course, there are instructions from the coaches, but kayo ba amongst the players, lalo na isa ka na sa veterano, may mga pag-uusap ba kayo going to this game just to make sure you're still on the same page?
Unang-una, all glory to God sa panalong ito, and gusto ko lang mag-hi sa wife ko, sa mga kids ko back home, Astra and Austin. And yun, coming to this game, talagang kailangan namin may sense of urgency kasi I think starting now, playoff game na namin ngayon. Every game is crucial for us. We know yung standing talagang dikit-dikit, and gusto lang namin yung maganda spot namin sa playoffs. No? And I think today's game, we really defend well. No? Aside sa we shoot well, I think we limit rain or shine. I think rain or shine is a 100-plus team sa points, so I think we limit them. So I think sa defense namin yung key ngayon.